Like, chat, what's a good exercise to get your cardio right? Are you serious? I knew it was a virus. I knew it was a virus. I knew it. I knew it was a virus. I knew it, bro. Oh my god, dog. I beat the virus. Aha. Task manager. Task manager for the dove. Task manager for the dove. Task manager. We know how to beat the virus now. We beat the virus. I have Ben. Come on, Ben. Try harder, Ben. Ben, try harder. Try harder, Ben. Try harder. Come on. You shouldn't have done that. Done what? Try harder. Try harder. Chill. I can still beat the virus though. My tax manager. Yo, chat, we can keep beating this virus like literally over and over, bro. This virus is ass, bro. This virus can't fuck with the speed, chat. We gonna keep beating this virus over and freaking over, bro. This virus is not scary, chat. This virus is ass, bro. Ben thought he had one. Shouldn't have done that. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Chat, this virus is not scary. It's not scary. Because tax manager just, like, literally does it. Now what? What's about to happen now? The fuck? Wait, wait, I just thought about it. How are they fucking with my computer? How are they, wait. Oh my mama, I swear to God, on my dead aunt, I swear to God, on my dead aunt, I'm not doing this. On my dead aunt. On my dead aunt. On my dead aunt. We alright. Chill out. Chet, should we call the police? Should we call the police? Our real shit. Should we call the police? Like dead ass. Like real shit. Chet, should we call the police? Like dead ass. Like no troll shit. Like I'll call them right now. Would you stop doing shit, Ben? Come on, please answer, police, bro. Please answer. Please answer. Police.
Please leave your message.
What the fuck? Why the police not answering? Police, please answer. Oh my gosh!
Please leave your message.
Bro, oh my. Alright, bro. Fuck it, bro. If something happened to me, bro, something happened to me, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. Who cares, bro? It's big speed over here, bro. I don't even care no more, bro. Nice to see you again. What you gonna do about it, bro? I'm a grown-ass man. What you gonna do, dog? Fuck you gonna do? Fuck you gonna do, bro? Do you know my slogan? I don't know your slogan, hacker. Come on, Mr. Hacker. Come on, bro. Come on. Now what? You shouldn't have done that. I don't give a fuck, bro. I don't care, bro. I'm a grown-ass man, bro. You talking to a grown-ass man right here. I have to think that you do not take me seriously. I'm not taking you seriously. You can't do shit to me personally. I'm a grown-ass man. What you gonna do, bro? Undeceives yourself, user. What the fuck? What are you talking about? The last time you saw me normal, it was on this game. More just mask. Okay. Today, my slogan will be very useful for you. Chat, we are so scared, chat. Now, let's play together. Let's play, hacker. Come on, hacker. Show me something, hacker. I ain't get stabbed. Do something. Exactly. Look, exactly. The hacker can't do shit. Let the show begin. Do you know my world? I'm still not scared, bro. I'm not scared, chat. Like this. Have you seen a chest? No, what are you talking about? Do you know what's inside? Your mom. Do you want to know? Yo, bro. This hacker right here, bro. Like chat. Yo, bro, he can suck my nuts, bro. Seriously, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. This whack-ass hacker. Open a chest. Shay, y'all ready to open a chest? Come on. Bro. Where's the chest? Understand what? What did I do? Think I am. Bro, this hacker getting too serious, bro. This hacker ass. Hey! 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 Oh, the end. Aha. We made it out alive. Period.